I joined Aakash when I was in 11th standard for NEET. Initially, I wasn't very confident enough, but over the years, my teachers at Aakash have been with me and they have boosted my confidence. Overall, it was a very nice experience. There were test series and study material also was provided to us. Besides, the teachers also have been very supportive. Whenever I have doubts, they have always been available, so I could get all my doubts clear. Before and after class, I would always revise whatever is taught to me, so that made things easier for me when it came to tests, and also there was not a lot for me to study. So I would suggest the other students also to follow this if they can. Now I'm planning to do MBBS outside Goa mostly. Now I'm going to see which colleges I'm getting. Mostly I'm aiming for AIIMS Delhi if I get into.
What is your future ambition?
I'm just leaving all options open. I will just do first MBBS, and whatever interest I develop later, I will pursue.
What message you want to give Goa students?
I would say don't stop working hard. Your hard work will surely pay off, and always keep in mind your dreams and keep yourself motivated.
23 result was declared, and it gives me a great pleasure to announce that at Aakash we have done very well in NEET exam. At Goa level also we have done very well, and at company level, means throughout the India, we have done excellently. So in NEET 2023, Aakash has achieved top ranks in say top 10 as well as top 20, top 50 and top 100. In top 10 we have achieved total 5 ranks, and in top 20 we have achieved total 13 ranks. In top 50 we have achieved 28 ranks, and in top 100 we have achieved 52 rank. 52 students have achieved top 100 ranks. And at Goa level, we have done fantastic. Like last year, we have our state topper. Last year, Anushka was the state topper, NEET 2023 topper, 2022 topper. This year, Gracina is state topper. She has achieved 680 marks out of 720. Along with Gracina, we have other students who have achieved very good, you can say, marks as well as ranks. We have Stephen Facho. He has achieved 644 marks. Sankalp Gautam Pai Kakode 642 marks. Bibo Swan 640 marks. Prashast 630 marks. Valusha 628 marks. Totaling more than 45 students have achieved more than 500 marks. So this year has been very fantastic and very rewarding for us. This year has rewarded us means so many selections, and it has also the hard work which we put in grooming our students to achieve success is really very fabulous. So many congratulations to everyone present, to all the students, parents and the teachers. Once the student gets in, obviously student has some you can say some dream in his mind, in his or her mind. So we take the journey very, very seriously. We have our pre-planned planners, test series, and everything is there to help equip the student to achieve the dream. So at every step, we are there to help the student. Means whether it is you can say whether in the lecture, whether after the lectures, whether it is homework, classwork, or assignment, or maybe doubts and discussions. So when the exam comes near, so we are there for the student at all the time. So if the student is sending the doubts to the teachers are there to help. The student can come to the branch in the morning and study, and the teachers are there to help. So we help the student to achieve their dreams. So means if I take one word, that is care. We care for the students. That is the specialty.
The Aakash Institute, they started from Panjim, and then 4 years later we started Margao branch, and this year only, last month, we have started Dabolim branch in Vasco. Then we are running 2 more study centers, one in Mapsa and one is in Ponda. So altogether total 5 study centers and branches are here in Goa. Almost we are covering all the locations of Goa, and the students from all over Goa are associated with Aakash, and we are doing quite well. Students from all over the Goa are with us only, and results in NEET, JEE, both excellent result. Since last 9 years we have been giving, so this will continue. The excellence speaks in terms of result.